Good morning from the frozen north today. It's about 15 degrees this morning and it's supposed to warm up to about 30. We're going to get this ceiling finished up. In the last video, we did a lot of the restructuring and the insulation of the ceiling, but today we're going to be working, I think, on mainly the floor. I want to start cutting the floor out, see what happens. Pretty much this area here cleaned out. We did shove some insulation that we had sitting around in the wall just to get it out of the way and make it a little warmer in here. We're going to take and cut a couple, I don't know, strips the whole way across here and start prying it up. It is tongue and groove, so it won't, I don't know how it's going to come up. It might come up easy, might come up hard. We'll find out. But we're kind of curious to see what's under here. I have a feeling there's probably a little bit of fiberglass insulation and then, what do you think? Just dirt. About it. So we're going to cut it up and see what we find. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Right here is a good spot to start.
Yeah, you want to come a couple foot off the door and run another one, and we can pop that up so we can have a starting point to start. It's going to be hard to get them up if we don't have.
The other joists.
Where's the other joist at?
I don't know. I think it's 24 foot off this bottom plate.
I would say
24 inch.
maybe come out 30. Okay. Let's grab up. I don't think that'll take much. I say we just set this camera down on time lapse.
Look at that, I cut right between two floor joists.
Nice. Yeah, don't walk on that.
Don't walk on that.
We'll just grab them in bunches and throw them in the fire. No, they are 2x8s, so that's good.
They look pretty clean too.
Yeah. Sweet. What do we got down there? Not much insulation.
Nor very high crawl space.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to swing a hammer down there to put the foam board on.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna do great with that.
Man, do I not want to go down there. They put some like shims there, little pieces of wood to hold up the insulation. Look, there's already one fossilized spider. It's completely white.
Yep. That's about what we expected to find, huh? Can we just get the skid steer? We can set the skid steer out the front door and just throw us in it.
I don't really care. Yeah, that is going to be a challenge to swing a hammer down there for sure.
I see why there's high spots. See how they have that board just propped in there?
Yeah.
That's not kosher. All right.
Man, do I not want to go down there.
That won't be that bad.
Speak for yourself.
Back in, getting ready to put the floor back in, and today we're going to cut the wires that are running under the floor. get those removed, and then lay plastic down, and you can see the line there where it's showing how far that floor joist is out. We're going to take chalk a line and cut those off with the circular saw so that everything's kind of back to true again, so that the floor's flat. I think what they did was they ran the power out of the box, which is on the outside of this wall here, and then they just dropped down and popped up with outlets. Like you can see one there, and there's one over here and one over here. We're just gonna work our way cutting them back, getting them removed, so that we can get that all out of there without getting shocked. Okay, here we got into a situation where I was cutting this board off. I noticed there was dust falling out from under this board, and the whole thing is pretty much rotten. So we're gonna end up cutting this. See that? We're gonna end up cutting this board, replacing this floor joist with a new one. We just got a new one, and then also replacing the front around here, and we got to come clear back to where the support post is here, and replace that too. So we're gonna get cutting that out and see if we can't get that fixed here today. Seems to be cutting them off okay.
Yeah, not much teeth left, but you can always buy more.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. I'll go grab the 2x8 if you want to get this stuff cleaned out of here, and then we'll cut our new 2x8, slide it up in there. Go ahead and screw that in.